Here's how to delete sticker on iPhone iOS 18. So in this short tutorial, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can delete sticker on iPhone on the version of iOS 18. So make sure you stick around until the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just basically open iMessages. So if I open iMessages here, as you can see, this is what messages look like, and you could just gotta select a chat. You could just select any chat you like to, cause we're here to delete stickers. So I'm just gonna use this one right over here, and here as you can see that we're officially in the chat right now. So what you need to do right over here is just basically press on this plus icon on the corner. So if you press on it, it will just show you many options right over here, just like camera, photo, stickers, audio, and you'll see many options right over here. But you just gotta go ahead and press on stickers. Once you press on it, here as you can see, it will just directly show me stickers. But if you aren't there, you'll be on emojis or maybe something else, just like this. But you just gotta go ahead and go to stickers right over here. And here as you can see, I got 2 stickers right over here. So if you want to delete a sticker, it's pretty simple. You just gotta tap and hold the sticker. So I'm just gonna tap and hold this horizon one right over here. So if I tap and hold, here as you can see, it will give me 3 options: rearrange, add effect, and delete. So I'm basically gonna press on delete, and here it goes. It gave me a little deleting animation, and this is I've done it now. So yeah, this is actually it on how you can delete sticker on iPhone iOS 18. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.